صباح الخير يا ماس عاملين ايه. For today's video I'm going to share you my day. Breakfast for today, of course, traditional Egyptian food, full with basil, with biningan and the bread, chili. And after, we are drinking the traditional tea. The first tea of the day. So, a sweet day. And have a nice day. A good day. With the tea. The day will not start without drinking tea. It is very common here, guys, drinking tea at any time. Ashrap ashrap chai, tea, and sugar. You can add mint as well if you like so. And here is our special tea of the day. This is how Egyptian people boosting their energy in daily life basis. So guys, as you can see, there's some bubbles on it. When you mix the tea, you will find the bubbles going in the center. So this is what I'm talking about. Have a look with that. In the middle. Yeah. So we need to remove this because they don't like it. As per my experience. Then so remove it, guys. And just throw it. Then you can serve your tea. Then now we're going to our garden to double check our plants, our green onion, the basil. We're just making quality control. So for tomorrow, we will eat again basil. Oh, how good it is, guys. See. And this basil make your body fire. There's a lot of it here in our garden. So there's some cast here, some vegetables also. What a good feeling, guys, seeing this every day here. And we have our filfil. We almost finished the filfil. Every day we're picking some. And it's nice. Now most of them are small and green. Waiting for some red and big. It's so spicy, guys, this chili. Then now I am here. So there's so many things in life you need to do. So I did my washing and I put it out to dry and I take it back inside. Then now I am folding it. Do you know, guys, that I really hate folding clothes since I was little? I don't know how to fold clothes and I am so short-tempered. I was before, but now I have a very, very long patience for everything. So this folding thing, it's easy peasy. As you can see, guys, my face here is a little bit tired because I was sick. And as you can hear, my voice is a little bit husky because I'm still a little bit having cough and little bit cold. You know, the weather is changing. Winter is approaching. So, we're getting sick at home. Actually feeling tired already this time. And the weather is so cold. If you notice, guys, those clothes that I'm folding is all long and thick because of the weather. It's so cold. Oh, guys, sleepy also. This weather make you feel like you just want to lay on your bed. But this weather, guys, is better than the summer. I never experienced the summer here in Egypt because on my first visit, it was also winter on last year December. So this time around, it's also winter. So hopefully by next year, I will experience the summer. But I'm not wishing on the summer. But it's fine, guys. That's the weather. But I preferred the cold weather than the hot. But one thing in the winter that you don't notice really much is you keep eating, and when summer came, you see you gain much of weight. That's the thing, guys. So in this weather, don't eat that much because you're covering every part of your body because of the weather. So when the summer will come, you will see a big difference. So just eat healthy, guys. Don't swallow every food in front of you. No, guys, it's just be healthy. That's it. So much of folding, guys. I'm literally getting tired and sick of these things. Joke. I can just buy some machine to fold my clothes. Wallahi, I will buy, guys. If you know anything, something kind of, please let me know. And I really need it madly. So guys, I think I am near to finish my folding clothes for today. So most of my day only folding clothes. It's all about clothes. That should be the title, guys. The clothes. Daily life. I will tour you guys here in my home in my next videos so you can see. So it's time to eat our dinner. This is a beef, guys, with potato and salad, then with the rice. They called it kebab hala. It's so delicious, guys. And with this vegetable, this gargir, guys, is very healthy. And this is the onion from our garden. See? Green. Eat healthy, live healthy, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye!